A family's nightmare begins. Imagine this. Your child, who was once active, full of life, and bouncing around, has suddenly become weak and tired. Swollen eyes stare back at you one morning, a sign of something amiss. You rush to the doctor, and the term nephrotic syndrome is thrown at you. But what is it? Could this be happening to your child? Join us on this journey to explore nephrotic syndrome in children, a condition that can be frightening, but, with the right knowledge, can be managed. Stick with us to the end to find out everything you need to know. What is nephrotic syndrome? Nephrotic syndrome is a kidney disorder where the body excretes too much protein in the urine. This abnormality leads to a range of problems like swelling, fatigue, and susceptibility to infections. It's a term that can freeze any parent's heart, but understanding it is the first step towards managing it.
Who is at risk? While nephrotic syndrome can affect anyone, it is more common in children between 2 and 6 years old. Various factors can contribute to this condition, such as genetic predisposition, infections, and underlying health problems. But here's the critical question: how does it affect the child?
How it affects children, more than physical signs. Children with nephrotic syndrome often experience more than physical symptoms. They may suffer from emotional and social challenges. School performance may decline, and your once vibrant child may withdraw from friends and family. But why does this happen? The answer lies in the pathophysiology.
Pathophysiology. The underlying mechanism. In nephrotic syndrome, there's damage to the kidney's small blood vessels that filter waste and excess water. This damage leads to protein loss in the urine, causing imbalances that result in swelling, low blood protein levels, and high cholesterol. But how can this complex condition be diagnosed?
Diagnosing the condition, finding the hidden culprit. Diagnosing nephrotic syndrome involves multiple tests, including blood tests, urine tests, and sometimes even a kidney biopsy. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment, which brings us to the next vital question: how can it be managed?
Management, a lifelong commitment. Managing nephrotic syndrome requires a combination of medications, diet changes, and lifestyle adjustments. Medications like corticosteroids can control the condition, while a low-salt diet can alleviate symptoms. Regular follow-ups with healthcare providers are vital. But what's the long-term outlook?
Outlook: a future full of hope. With proper care and timely treatment, most children with nephrotic syndrome lead a healthy and normal life. Though some may experience relapses, a specialized healthcare team can help manage the condition, allowing your child to thrive once again.
Conclusion: knowledge is power. Nephrotic syndrome may sound terrifying, but as we've explored, understanding is key. Your child can overcome this condition with your love, support, and proper medical care. Please like, share, and subscribe to Healthy Kids TV, and don't forget to activate the bell for more insightful videos like this one. Together, we can create a community where our children's health is prioritized.
Disclaimer: this article is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized recommendations. Healthy Kids TV, empowering parents, nurturing healthy kids.